We are back out here at our 24 unit project, and when we first walked it, right, you guys got to see what the layout was. We had dug out all of the footing trenches. This one we had actually dug out the footings and we had string lines run in, and now you can actually see the footings have been poured. Our stem walls right here have also been poured. If you remember that last video, we had pink string lines, right? Well, if you guys are interested in watching how we bring this project to life, subscribe to our channel. We'll be pushing out a lot more content. We'll be showing you step by step how we bring this to life.